Chito Gabino mentioned in his book na dapat daw magkilos tayo na agresibo kung para ma-improve ang bayan natin. Ma-improve ba? So, to the media, itong sabihin ko sa inyo. You know, as I said a while ago, the media can either create or build a nation, build a person, or destroy a nation, destroy. Ito lang, you know, sa batas na ito, in our jurisdiction, there is that freedom of speech, freedom to write. But may I remind the media people, there must be some limitation. Kung ang media gusto papaguhin ng isang bagay, correct, good. But then, tingnan naman yun na hindi masyado yung too personal. Huwag natin, dito tayo let us stick on the issue, not on the personal. You know, I don't like people nag-political na naging personal na masyado. That is bad. That is bad. You know, during my elementary, I was taught by my teacher. My mother was a teacher, public school teacher. Isa doon na sabi niya, discipline. One of discipline is you must control yourself. In public, huwag ka naman mag-emotional, no? Do not. Kasi kung mag-emotional kayo, mawala ang issue, mawala. Stick to the issue. I'm not referring to some people here. I have an independent mind. Ayan. I'm a member of no less than 28 organizations, but I have a mind of my own.